Hello, I saw your question in the email. I see your picture here. One thing you know when you're constructing this confidence interval, it's always about the population. You know, it says construct a 90% confidence interval for the population mean, and so you're using sample data trying to draw conclusions about the population. Okay, and so this you know you're 90% confident that the population mean will be in this interval. And we're drawing that, we're using the sample mean and some error here to determine this interval, which you already determined. So down here, you want to interpret the result, and you in this first choice here with 9% confident, it can be the sample mean. Well, we're not trying to draw a conclusion about the sample mean. I mean, we know exactly what the sample mean is. It's the population mean that we're trying to draw a conclusion about. And so this, with 9% confidence, it can be said the population mean. So these two do mention the population mean lies in the interval. With 95% confidence, it can be said the population mean price lies in the confidence interval. Okay, what does that mean? Well, if you were to take 100 samples of data, then 95 of those intervals, 95 of the time out of 100, this interval would literally contain the population mean. Five times it would not, and so that's the meaning of this interval and this information. Hope this helps.